called Streak of Lightning. It finishes at 12 inches, and it's nothing but 2-inch finished squares. And you think, oh, this is probably a weird design, but when you put it together in a quilt, it's really nice looking. Here's the diagram. It's just two fabrics, a light and a dark. And I think this would look really great as a scrappy quilt where all the light fabrics, you could use one light fabric throughout the whole quilt, or you could use low volume prints, and then the dark fabrics can be your dark scraps. I think that would make an amazing quilt, but I'm a scrap quilt person. Here are the light fabrics. You'll need to cut 19 squares, 2.5 inches for one block, and the dark squares are 17 squares at 2.5 inches. Here are the Accuquilt dies you can use. And there's no special way to put this together, no special techniques or methods. You just look at the diagram here or here. What I did a test block first, and I made sure it looked just like the diagram. Then I just put it up on my design wall or near my sewing machine, and I just always referred to that as I was piecing each block. Here is a quilt set. It finishes at 60 by 84 inches. It's set 5 across and 7 down. And I used 35, there's 35 blocks. I used 36 fat quarters, and each set of fat quarters, a light and a dark, would get you 2 blocks. And you had a good amount of fabric left over for your scraps. So now let's look at the block. Here is the pretty block finished. Just looks like little stair steps. It was easy to do. You do have to concentrate on where you're placing your fabrics. And I pressed my seams open, and there's your block. Thank you for watching.